Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1080, 1080. We're opening two boxes of 1415 Upper Deck Artifact Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended August 3rd at 9:29 p.m. And according to TimeAndDate.com, it is currently 12:30 p.m. Tuesday, August 4th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221 305 866. Second box number is 221 305 865. We've got 4 cards per pack, 10 pack per box. Those are 2 boxes to open. I'd like to mention that we've got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We have another Artifact 1415 ending at 8 p.m. tonight. That said, on with the break. First box, Artifact 1415. We got an empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. First pack of our 2-box break. Rookie Redemption for Islanders, card number 169. Treasured Swatches, Nicholas Lindstrom for Detroit. Oh wow, this is nice. Let me just get a sleeve for this right away. We got a black 5 of 5 rookie Jake McCabe and auto. Wow, nice hit for Sabres. Black version, rookie auto. And next pack. Let's find more of these. Love the short prints. Rob Brown for Pittsburgh out of 599. Rookie Evgeny Evgeny Kuznetsov for Caps out of 999. Nice thick one in here. Put the bases out of the way. What do we got? Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. That's nice. Put a sleeve on this. When I see Patrick Roy and stick right away, I get goosebumps. And we got Peter Forsberg stick and Joe Sakic. Just a beautiful series. So that spells Colorado. Wow. There's no number on the card, but I know the sticks don't have them. They're just like short print. Must be out of 10 or. Wow, beautiful. Patrick Roy, Peter Forsberg, and Joe Sakic. Game you stick. Told you I'd find more short prints. One more. Frozen Artifact, Brett Hull for Blues. KMU's jersey card. Eric Lindros for Stars out of 99. Henrik Lundqvist for Rangers of 999. And last pack of our first box. Rookie, Patrick Nemeth for Stars out of 499. And that is our first box. Okay, quick clean up here. Second box. Tonight, we also have a brand new product, a Leaf ITG Game U 2015. Came out last Wednesday. Just a beautiful product. I've included all the info on my description page. Got a link. You can go check out the new product. You got an empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. Also a Panini Select and also a 4-box limited 12-13. All that tonight. Okay, first pack, second box. Oh, good start. Another thick card. Got a patch or a stick. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's nice. Jersey and stick. Tony Esposito of Chicago. It's out of 75. It's just a beautiful stick. Great player. Love the mask. Okay. That was our first pack. Find more. Luke Adam for Sabres. Signature card. Artifacts. Ed Belfour for Toronto out of 499. Rookie Oscar Klefbom for Oilers out of 999. Dual jersey card, Josh Georges and David Desharnais from Montreal. Tundra Tandems. Frozen Artifact, Denis Savant for Blackhawks. Brad Park for Boston out of 85. Pelle Lindbergh for Flyers out of 999. Rookie Simon Moiser for Predators out of 499. And we're down to the last pack. Over 2-box break. Rookie Redemption for Stars, card number 160. And that is our 2-box. Okay, let's do a quick recap of our hits. Rookie for Stars, Rookie for Predators, jersey card Blackhawks, dual jersey card for Montreal, Rookie for Oilers, signature card for Sabres, beautiful jersey and jersey and stick for Blackhawk, Mr. Esposito, Rookie for Stars, jersey card for Blues, beautiful, beautiful triple stick card for Colorado. Includes Patrick Roy. Rookie for Caps. Oh yeah, and we have our black version of Jake McCabe. Rookie auto 5 of 5 for Sabres. And a jersey card for Detroit. And a rookie for Islanders. Redemption. That concludes our break number 1080. 2 box of 1415 Artifact Hockey. Be sure to check out other box breaks tonight. Don't forget there is an Artifact identical to this one that ends at 8 p.m. tonight. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.